How much should I budget for ingredients for pop-up drink stands? A good rule of thumb is to set aside about 25 to 35% of your total sales as your ingredient budget, which usually comes out to somewhere between $50 and $150 for a small one-day pop-up, depending on how many drinks you plan to sell. Think of your drink stand like a lemonade stand, but bigger and smarter. The main things you are buying are your base ingredients like fruit, syrups, tea, or coffee, plus ice, cups, straws, and napkins, and people often forget how much ice alone can cost, especially in the summer heat. A trick many new stand owners do not know is to buy in bulk from wholesale clubs instead of regular grocery stores, because prices per unit drop a lot when you buy bigger bags or cases. Another secret is that pre-made syrups and mixes often cost more per drink than making your own from scratch, so learning one or two simple recipes can save you a surprising amount of money. You also want to plan for waste, since fruit spoils fast and extra ice always melts, so add about 10% more to your budget just for that. If you sell 3 different drink flavors, try figuring out the cost per single cup for each one, then multiply that by how many cups you expect to sell that day. One big thing to watch out for is overbuying perishable ingredients, so only buy what you truly need for that specific event and store extras properly if you have leftovers. Another important point is hidden costs like propane, electricity, or generator rental if you are using blenders or hot equipment, so always add a small buffer of about $20 for those extras. Lastly, keep an eye on local permit and health department rules, since some areas require certain food handling steps that can add unexpected costs, so calling ahead to check saves you from surprises on the big day. If you enjoyed this, check out our online directories in the description below.